I'll be actually 42. Hold on. Fuck. Oh, actually, should not making that. Wait up.
Impacts. Objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially for the following areas in New Jersey, Western Passaic and Western Bergen, and the following areas North Westchester, and the following areas Fairfield and Northern New Haven. Winter weather advisory total snow accumulations of 3 to 4 inches. Wind gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Northeastern Jersey, southern Connecticut, and southeast New York. Wind from 8 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details. Will fall quickly late this morning. For the following area, in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, and in New Jersey, Hudson, and the following areas, in New York, southern Westchester, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northern Queens, and southern Queens. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening. Watch, snow expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 2 inches. Miles per hour. Portions of northeast New Jersey, southern Connecticut, and southeast New York. Wind from 9 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Late this morning into this afternoon, resulting in a quick freezing of any standing water. For the following areas, in Connecticut, northern Litchfield and southern Litchfield. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. this morning to 7 p.m. this evening.
Watch my glasses.
What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? The mid-Hudson Valley of eastern New York and Litchfield County, Connecticut. When? From 7 a.m. this morning until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details. Snowfall rates may reach 1 inch per hour late this morning into this afternoon. For the following areas, in Connecticut, Hartford, and Tolland. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 8 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. this evening. Watch. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3. As high as 45 miles per hour. 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Eastern and west. When? From 8 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The Bridgeport, Connecticut climate summary for yesterday. Standard time. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Areas affected include Western Hampshire, Massachusetts counties. When? Until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts include travel could be very difficult. Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 8 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3
After
inches.
midnight with Ranger
Winds
Smith.
gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Areas affected include portions of northern Connecticut and central, eastern, and western Massachusetts. When? From 8 a.m. this morning to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts include plan on slippery road conditions. Wind advisory remains in effect from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to
You're up
45
after
miles per
midnight
hour
with
expected.
Ranger Smith.
Areas affected include Western Hampshire, Massachusetts, Western Hampton, Massachusetts, Northern Worcester, Massachusetts, and Western Franklin, Massachusetts counties. When, from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
You've been using Get Upside,
impacts
the free
include
gas
gusty
app
winds
that
could
gives you
blow
cash
around
back for
unsecured
every
objects.
gallon of gas you buy.
Tree limbs could be
saying
blown down and a few power outages may result.
gas with the Get Upside app?
Wind advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday.
$200 to $300
Northwest
this year.
winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected.
Download the
Areas
free Get
affected
Upside
include in
app now.
Connecticut,
Cash back.
Hartford, Connecticut County, in Massachusetts, Southern Worcester, Massachusetts County. When, from 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this afternoon to 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts include gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Here are the 5 a.m. degrees. Impact with lows around 8 and especially passes will likely become slick and hazardous. Plan on slippery road conditions due to snow-covered roads. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions can be obtained by going to newengland511.org. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What's heavy snow expected? Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches with locally up to 12 inches over the southern Green Mountains. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? In Vermont, western Windham and Bennington counties. In New York, eastern Rensselaer County. In Massachusetts, northern Berkshire County. When? From 4 a.m. this morning until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Travel will be very difficult due to snow-covered roadways. Gusty winds will contribute to blizzards. Over the southern Berkshires. Until 1 a.m. Power with gusts. Today, 5 miles an hour this afternoon. Right. Rotation failure. Highs in the upper 50s. Most Mississippi. Winter storm warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation of 5 to 9 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? In New York, eastern Columbia County. In Massachusetts, southern Berkshire County. When? From 4 a.m. this morning until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 33 views from a radio tower on Mohawk Mountain in Cornwall, Litchfield County, Connecticut. 1.5 megahertz. In Surf Connecticut, adjacent portions of southeast New York, and the southern Berkshires. Winds 10 to 15 miles an hour or below. Sunny. Sunny. Cold with highs in the lower 30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 6 inches. Litchfield County, Connecticut. When? From 7 a.m. this morning until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Plan on slippery road conditions. Additional details. Snowfall rate news on 2 degrees with dew point this afternoon. Slow down any parking while traveling. The Pittsfield message. March of
Alright, I'm done. Bye.